Hello guys, in this basic and short video, I'm gonna show you how to check and find out installation date of your Windows 10 or 11. So very simple and basic way, guys. Just search about here in the search bar, type about and click on about your PC. Here you will see underneath Windows specifications, edition, version and install on. So this is the installation date for my system 18th 11 2020. So if you want to buy any old laptop and you want to check proper date for installation of your PC, so this is the way you can check it. So thanks for watching and please comment on this video useful for you or not.